Hello everyone, we will be discussing on Facebook ad today. Basically discussing about acronyms and some testimonials terms of Facebook ads. Terms and acronyms related to the Facebook ads. CPV, cost per click, how much you pay when someone clicks on your ad. This is called the CPV, cost per click. CPM, cost per mile, how much you pay per 100 views of your ads. This is called CPM. And third one is CPA, cost per action, how much you pay for someone taken an action. Conversion, that is acquire the new customers on your ad. This is called CPA, which is cost per action. We have discussed CPC, CPM and CPA. Moving towards CTR, click through rate, how many people on your ad after viewing see those. CVR, conversion rate, the percentage of people converted from your ad. The percentage of the people converted from your ad. This is very important term, CVR, in the Facebook marketing. Third one, moving to the return of investment, the money you are giving to spend on your ad, which gives back, which is called return of investment. You have given the X money to your ad, and after some of the positive results it's give you the back. This is returns of investment, the money you have make back from your ad spend. This is the return of investment. We have discussed CTR, CVR and ROI. Furthermore, we are discussing about the types of audiences too. Core audience, you can define where your ad will be delivered. You can also set the target audiences based on criteria like location, demographics, age, gender, education, country and so on. Moreover, interest, behavior, purchase device uses and so on, and connection to your page or an event. This is called, and this is like a broad audience. Here we can customize and make our own choice of a core audience, defining the very basic strategies too, and defining the very small matters too, like the age, gender, education, which gives the good audience and the exact audience what we want or what the service provider wants. This is the core audience. After the core audiences, we do have discussing about custom audiences. You can get back in touch with the people who have already known your business. That means the people who have already previously visited your website, or the custom audience who have already previously watched, visited and like ordered something from your website, has taken any services from your website, or just had seen and move on. Those audiences, we can provide the more visitors, we can provide the giveaways, discounts and other information repeatedly, due to which these audiences will attract to our services. Already know your business like website visitors, app users, leads and leads magnet, that is attracting them. Once they are visited or attached to our website, let them be our permanent customer. We should treat the custom audiences in that way. Lead from lead magnets, attracting just like a magnets. So moving from core audiences and custom audiences, we get look-alike audiences. You can reach people who are similar to your current customers. It is fast and effective way. This is, I think, a better option after the core audiences. Let us keep the core audiences at the first, lookalike audiences at the second and custom audiences at the third. You can reach the people who are similar to your current customers. It is a fast and effective way to connect the people. Basically, this is a very easy way to get the ads and very easy way to get the engagement to your profile. Basically, making an effective way to connect the people who are likely to connect the respond to your ads. these peoples, these customers, these service getters will likely respond to your ads in 100% way. This is the look-alike audiences. So that's it for today. Hope you guys do enjoy it. If you like the video, please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be uploading about digital marketing, Instagram growth hack, and many more. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.